Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are soldering this 18-pin connector. Let's start by removing factory solder. I have mixed leaded solder to help with desoldering. Let's resolder the connector. I will start by aligning the connector, apply flux, then solder pin by pin. Now let's restore traces. First I will remove protective mask and then tin exposed trace. I will use thin wire in place of missing trace. Cover it with UV mask. I will check every pin with tweezer. I will solder one side again because two pins are not properly connected. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.